Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE, and this video is a quiz on homophones. Before we start, kindly touch the subscribe button and the bell icon. Well, let's start. This quiz has 10 questions. The time to answer each question is 10 seconds. The answer will appear once the time is up. Each correct answer carries 1 point. Now let us see what the question is. Choose the sentence that is correct in meaning. A pair of sentences is given. Read the sentences carefully and choose the correct answer. Well, friends, get ready and here we go. All the best. Well, I guess you had fun. You can share your points in the comment box and also leave your suggestions. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and thanks for your participation.